Hi, so fam, welcome to So Kiddies with Chomzy J. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you are most welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. So in this video, we'll be making this bloomer baby short for a baby of 1 year, 1 to 2 years old. This fabric is measuring 16 inches by 20 inches. So I have 2 of it here. So I'll go ahead and fold it into 2 like so. Next thing I'll be doing is to mark out a channel which I'll be using to pass the elastic. So I use 3.5 inches for the elastic channel. So this channel is for the waist elastic. And from that point, I'll take down the length of this short, which is 10 inches. So from that 10 inches, I have 2 inches left. So the 2 inches will be serving as a casing for the elastic at the hem. And that's the center of the short. From the center, I measured 3 inches, but after sewing, I discovered that it was too wide. So when measuring yours, measure 2 inches. So from that center, I measured 6. So it was on fold 3. When I unfold it, that's 6. But I discovered it was too wide. And this is how I'll be sewing it. I will sew half inch in and half inch in again. So this is for the lower part channel. And this is what it looks like after sewing. So next thing I'll be doing is to place it right side facing each other, and I'll sew half inch. I'll sew the side with half inch. After which I'll go ahead to fold in the 3.5 inches allowance I gave at the waistline. I'll fold in half inch first, then I'll be left with 3 is waistband. Please, if you've watched up to this point, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps promote this video to a wider audience. So I'll be sewing the waistline round like so. And this is what it looks like after sewing. I left about 1 inch, which I'll be using to pass the elastic. Next thing I'll be doing is to create a channel for the elastic, and from the tip of the short I came down with 1.5 inches. So the remaining 1 inch is where the elastic will be sitting. What I'm doing now is I'm creating a channel for the elastic. So I just marked 1.5 inch round the short, and on the hem also I will mark 1 inch round the hem too. This is because I will also be passing elastic at the hem, so I will repeat same thing to the other side of the short too. I'll just measure 1 inch round. So watch closely, you get to understand what I'm doing here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So I have about 16 inches elastic here. I'll go ahead to fix in my safety pin and pass it around the channel I created. So after which I'll go ahead to secure the elastic and close up the space I used in passing it. And on the hem also, I will loosen up the sides just so I have a space to pass the elastic. This is where the elastic will be stopping on both sides of the hem. So I'll pass it around like so, and I'll also pass it around like so. But because I've already sewn this before joining the side, I need to loosen up some part of this short so I'll be able to pass the elastic. So this place I'm losing, that's where the elastic will be stopping. So I'll pass the elastic through this hole I'm creating now. Then I have about 4 inches elastic here. The length of this elastic is about 4 inches. So I'll pass it and stitch it down, and that's all for it. Next thing I'm supposed to do is to create a bow, but I didn't do that because my fabric was not enough. So thank you for watching. If you've watched up to this point, see you in my next video. Bye.